for those of you wondering, this is the little CAN bridge module that I'm using to get the battery to work in that car. So basically, this is the way they come with all these connectors. Basically, cut them all off and wire it into your system accordingly. Now, the wiring harness that we use goes right past the driver's side, on the left side of the driver's side. That's where the CAN communication goes from the battery to the VCM. So, basically, you just jump right in there, and from my understanding, it doesn't matter which ones you put in there, CAN high, CAN low, it'd be 1 or 2, it doesn't matter, it'll auto figure out which way the data is going and correct it, which is pretty cool. That's the software, so software does that. So this is what's in the old Leaf. I'm going to try putting this one, I bought a spare in case I broke that one, I'm going to try putting this one in the new Leaf and see if I can get the old battery to work with the new Leaf, so that's the plan. Here's the connector on the battery, and you can see we got CAN high, CAN low, power on supply, 12 volt battery power, pre-charge relay, pre-charge ground, or pre-charge relay input, system main to relay, ground, system main relay to input. So what I'm going to try is just hook up 12 volt power and ground right into here and put this inside the battery. That's my current plan. That way I don't have to modify the harness. Since I already got the battery open, I might as well do it. So that's what I'm going to try to do. There you go. CAN bridge. Perfectly where she needs to be. Right in the line, in between the battery module and the VCM, which is that port right there. So, if you want to take another close look, I think we've already looked at this, but yeah, it's basically exactly the same as far as its layout and configuration. In case people are wondering, no, I cannot take this control module out and put it in the other one. It's programmed specifically and it is different. So this is programmed specifically for this cell chemistry, this year built, blah blah blah. Things get changed over time. So they are exactly as they are. It's a really nice big brick right there. I don't know what that is. It's cool though. Alright, battery's back in. It's kind of just hanging by a thread, but it is back in the car. Alright, some great lighting and the sun coming in, but you get what you get. We're going to read some TDCs. See what kind of errors we get. Alright, there's our TDCs. I will start clearing them and be back with you in a minute. Alright, so I cleared all the ones I could. We have internal battery resistance. We know that that one's a problem. We have a few CAN weird things with the high voltage EV system. And we have that invalid battery ID. So I'm really curious to see if I can drive the car before I cleared that invalid battery ID. Clear a few more here on the last bit and just see if the thing goes into drive. Something tells me it won't, but it's worth a try. Power it off. Power it on. And just see what happens. EV charge is low, EV system power reduced. Those are all normal. EV service EV system charge is low. Let's just see if it goes into drive. Huh. It does. Weird. I didn't think it would. So now I'm going to clear that. I'm going to clear that that one specifically, and then see if we can get the other errors to clear. The invalid battery ID one. So the internal battery resistance was already known. This CAN EVB97 one is already something to do with the battery being silly. And then there's a few up here with the high voltage battery. I'm not sure about those. But either way, we do have the car functioning. We're in drive. We should be able to charge it. And that's really what I wanted. I wanted to be able to move this thing around. So there's the ones we got left. Other than that, we got it clear. And as far as things moving around, reverse and drive. Wonder if I can do the E-pedal. Can't do the E-pedal, which I expected. Eco mode, B mode. Alright. So that's that for now. We'll try to do some more clearing, but at least we can move it around under its own battery power. Just in case you're wondering, this is how many charges that other battery held on it. $4,413 and 107 quick charges. That's a lot. What's up, everybody? Russ with rwresearch.com. So last night, me and Elijah were doing 180s, and the door flew open, and basically something bent.
I didn't know you meant that.
I forgot that the door opens. That did not work very well. What if we try it the other way? Let's try it the other way.
Please don't break it.
I'm gonna hold the door this time. You ready? Here we go.
That was so
Oh! I put it in drive, but I went into neutral. Alright. You ready?
Yeah, can I pull down the window?
Sure. Okay, nobody coming? Are you ready? I did it! Yes! I did it the wrong way. The door flew open. But I did it! I've actually never been able to do that in the car because I don't want to break my own cars. This is where everybody comes to do donuts, so not to worry about it. Alright, let's get this thing open. We actually did it. And now, the door actually shuts. So if I put the latch in here, it's locked. Pull that out, Elijah. Pull the handle. Hold it straight out towards me. Ta-da! So now the question is, can we put it in here and get it to come and work? The problem is, I don't know how aligned up this is. It looks like it's, look how far away it looks.
Where is it?
It's supposed to be right here. And this is supposed to be right here. Okay, but it's flat with that. You see how far out it is? We gotta shim this thing way up here. Put some washers behind it. And then it'll latch. And it should latch and undo.
Yeah, but the screws are probably too short.
Well, we can figure that out. I can get some longer screws. How long were they? Half inch?
Yeah, maybe like this long.
What? Okay, well, pop them out. Let's get some tools. You had a very weird bad dream? What was it about?
There was like 20 dreams.
You had 20 dreams?
I had like 20 dreams in one sleep.
And they were all bad? or only a couple of them. Ooh, it's not gonna catch, is it? It won't catch there. Let's take, will it? Nah, let's take one washer off. I'll pull it off, you just hold everything. Take that last one I put on there, we just want it to catch. It just needs to be enough. Oh, I see, there's sheet metal and stuff in there, that's why. We can get longer screws if we have to.
Can you hold this real quick?
Sure. That should catch. Don't go crazy tight, just barely tighten it.
It's not straight.
There, maybe. There we go. That one.
All of them are falling out.
Oh, they're still in. Okay, let's just see where we are, because if I shut this, it gets locked again, we're in trouble. Oh, that looks right.
Maybe one more. Just try it.
It looks right. If we lock this and I can't get open, it's going to be a problem. There it is. Let's see if it works. Ready? Ah! Yes, sir!
Now I tighten it?
Alright, yeah, give her a little beans. Don't go crazy. We don't need to go crazy. Perfect. Oh, even this one works! Well, it did. It did, I just did it. Alright, let's do the inside one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it locked. It locked. Oh, I pushed the button, Elijah.
The button still works?
Alright, I'm going to move this over to the other side over there. I'm going to show the boys down the street that we fixed it. Bring everything back in, then you can come back out and jump in with me. That is hilarious. That is funny. Alright, success. So, doing 180s in the random abyss of the desert fixes things. This one? Not worry about this one. It's busted. Alright. Did you bring those inside already? Did you bring those inside already? Bring them inside. I got the keys. Funny boy. He was excited to get in the car, but I wanted to go do that. All right. Well, that was it. I just wanted to show you how we fixed the door. The lock even still works. That is funny. That is hilarious. All right. Well, as far as I'm concerned, we've got one broken good car that runs on the old battery and one good old car that runs on the new battery. Charges up, works. It's freaking awesome. Now I'm going to clean up and let me know what else you want me to see. What else you want me to see? Let me know what else you want to see with that car. Is there anything in particular you want to see? Because we can dig into it, tear it apart, look at some cool stuff. Let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good day. Peace out. As always, read the Bible more, and we'll see you later. Bye. Let me know what you think in the comments.